Welcome to the Deep Networking Lab. Right now, the brain of my network is stuck in a cramped metal box inside my laundry room. It's a mess, it's hard to work on, and it's standing in the way of the projects that I have planned. Today, we're moving the internet from the laundry room to the bedroom lab. It's a simple move, but it changes everything for this setup. Let's get to work. Since this house is a rental, I can't go cutting holes in the wall to run new lines. I have to work with what's already here. The goal is to get the incoming signal from the street directly to my desk using the existing wiring. It's about being efficient with the tools that I have available to me. To find the right line in this mess, I've got my kids helping me out. Once we traced the bedroom line back to the panel, I realized the original installer didn't even finish the job. The connector wasn't crimped. So I'm using a crimper to secure that connection before bridging the ISP signal directly to my bedroom with a simple $2 barrel connector. This little fix saves me about $100 for a technician visit. I'll leave the link in the description for the coax explorer and the crimping tool I'm using if you want to add these to your own toolkit. Just remember, a bad splice is like a leaky pipe. It'll slow down your internet speeds before they even get to the router. So make sure you're using quality parts and your connections are nice and snug. It's tough to see because my tripod went droopy mode on me, but I'm cleaning up the cable management as I go to make upgrades in the future much easier. And just like that, the signal is where it needs to be. The modem is in its new home, right next to the gear it's supposed to be talking to. It's got better airflow, more space, and it's in the perfect location for some upcoming projects. So by moving the hardware into the lab, it's in a much better position for some upcoming projects. Like I mentioned before, I'm building this network on a budget. Most of my equipment are hand-me-downs or eBay finds, or what some people might consider e-waste. In fact, this Linux server right here was a hand-me-down itself. It's been a workhorse, but it's in desperate need of a big upgrade. In an upcoming video, I'm going to be adding a dedicated drive enclosure and a SATA expansion port to seriously beef up its storage capabilities. It's a mod that actually looks pretty cool once it's all put together, and it's going to completely change what the server is capable of. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. You don't need a massive budget to build something truly powerful. You just need to get your hands dirty. Thanks for watching. Let me know your favorite tool brand down in the comments. And remember, it ain't gotta be pretty, it's just gotta work.